Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach student marks calculation system in Java. Here I have three subjects, so I put three text boxes over here. Let's enter the marks over here on these text boxes. Likewise, if you click OK button, total display and average display and grade will be display on the message box. Here if you click OK, here student marks grade will be passed. How to calculate the grading system mean, if the average is greater than 50, grade display as a pass. Okay, if it is below 50, average display as fail. Right? Okay, let's change here. If you change something else like this, if you click OK button, here 42, so the result display as a fail. Right, let me see how to do the system step by step. So go to the file, new project, Java application. Next, here if you open this dialog box, it is keep on tick this one, you click and untick this one. Okay, now here you have to put the name as student marks. Right, this is the project name. Click finish. Right, finished. Right, here your project will be, this is the new project, will be created successfully here. Now you just expand the source package, this one default package, select the default package, right click, new. Here you have to new package, here Java package. Here you have to create the new package as student marks. Right, hit finish button. Right, new package has created successfully here. Now what I'm going to do is, here right click, select the new package, right click, new, here JFrame form. Right, here I'm going to create the Java application form, JFrame. So let me select as a student class. Right, whatever name you can give. Right, this is your project, empty project you have to create. Right, another project I am going to close everything. Right, this is your project folder. Right, okay, first you have to create the package. Inside the package you have to create the project file, student Java. Right, here we have to increase the font size like this. Now this is the JFrame. You can see the palette. This is the palette. Okay, so we need to design the palette, so you have to get the tools here. Right, first I need a panel. You just click on the panel from the tool palette and drag on the form. Right, you just adjust like this. Right, okay. Now I'm going to change the color of this panel. So this is the ID. So right click, properties, here background color. You have to see the property window, background color. Okay, you just click on this icon and you can change any color you need. I am going to change this color, so it's very awesome. So click OK. Right, now close. Now I am going to get the label from the palette and drag on the form, and let's change the name as student marks calculation. Right, now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to increase the size of the font. So right click and properties and font. Here you have to change the font style which you want. Here there are many styles available here. This is the font style I'm going to choose, and size bold, and size I'm going to choose as 24. Right, okay, right, perfect. Okay, if it is come like this, you just expand here like this. Right, you have to adjust. Right, Now if you feel to change the color of the font, what you are going to do is right click properties. Here this is the foreground color. Okay, this is not a background color. You have to change the font color, so that is the property you have to select is foreground color. Select as white, click OK. Now you can check, this is the awesome color, you can see, right? Nice form. Okay, now right click on the form, properties and code. Here I have to set it as a generate center. Okay, when the form is display on the screen, it will be displayed at the center. You have to give this option, generate center. Okay, right, that's the thing you have to do. Right, now let me click play this one, click this button, click OK. Here it's awesome, the form is successfully displayed on the screen. Right, now let me we have to get the three label controls, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 right, 5 right, 5. We have to get another one also, this one for the gray display. So let me remove this one, we don't need. So here we need we have to change the text as marks1. So marks1, this one should be marks2, this one should be marks3, this one should be marks total, grade, sorry, not grade, average. Right, if you want to make the size, so let me check all like this and right click properties and font size, defaultly 11. If you want to change the size as 14, it would be great, with bold. Okay, right, it's everything changed. Right, now it's awesome. Now we have to set the text box as well for this label. So go to the palette and drag the text boxes, 11 text boxes we have to align like this. Right, now we have to write like this, we have to get the text boxes quickly. This 3, sun 4, final one is this one. Right, now here we no need the text, we have to remove this one. Here we have to remove this, right click and edit text, we have to backspace. Okay, right click, edit, backspace, right click, edit, backspace on the keyboard. Now we have to get the blank text box over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text box name of each text box name. I have to change, so right click, change variable name. So default the come as j text box 1. Here we have to change j text box 1 as a txt marks 1. Right click, just copy this one, control C to copy. Right, here this one as a, we have to change it as paste it to. Here right click, change variable name, B, control V to paste. Here 3, here change variable, control V to paste. Here dot, click OK. Here right click, change variable name, control V to paste. Here we have to change it as a txt average. Right, click OK. Right, everything perfect. Now what I'm going to do is here I need one button for display the result. So here I'm going to give the result here. So here we have to change the text as OK. Right, the simple form we have designed. Here right click this, simply we have to write like this. Right, right like this. Now hit this for this play button. Here you can see the nice form look like this. Now let me add the codes. So double click on this button. This button you double click, it goes to the coding view like this. Here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to add the code. First I'm create the variable first. So these are the marks calculations. So we have to declare three integer variables. So we have to declare as a declare as a marks 1. So m1, m2, m3. Right, comma total. Right, comma average. All I make it as a integer type. So I make it as this, like this a variable. This is a variable creation of Java. All are integer variables. Right, now after that I'm going to assign to the relevant text box on these variables. So m1 equal this text box. Okay, so what is the name of this text box? txt marks1. Right, so first we have to convert them integer dot parseInt. Here we have to write the text box name txt marks1 dot get text. Right, this is the thing we have to do it. Okay, when the user type the marks on this text box like this, what happen is it's assigned to the variable m1. Okay, so it store the variable m1. Okay, so on do this another two text box also. So let's copy this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste on the below. Right, likewise m2, this variable I am getting here and put here m2. Right, here we have to change marks2. That's it. Okay, so I here marks2 is a marks3. Right, so let's copy this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Here we have to marks1, this one variable m3, here marks3. Right, now we assign to the variables this all the fields are correctly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate these values. Right, likewise it's working likewise. Here if you enter the marks on these three text boxes, is assigned to this relevant variables like this m1, m2, m3. This one store in m1, this one store in m2, this mark store in m3. Right, now what I'm going to do is get the tot variable from above, this one equal these three marks I'm going to put like the likewise. Right, now what the sign I put here is in between marks1 and marks2 plus, in between marks 2 and 3 plus. So all together these three are calculated. Right, calculate and assign to the variable tot. So final total value is stored in this variable tot. So I am going to get the value. What is the value of the final total? So where I am going to display the value of the final total. Okay, these three marks are calculated and display where? So this total text box. So right click, properties, txt tot. Right, this is the text box name. So what I am going to do is here now tot txt tot dot set text. Here I am going to put as a string. I am going to convert dot value of, here I have to put the variable. Control C to copy and Control V to paste, right? That's the thing we have to do. Okay, the final total, we have to get the text box, we need to convert the value. We have to put the function as this one, string dot value of, right? Now let's execute the value and see here. Click OK. Here it displays successful, right? Now I am going to get the average as well. The same thing I have to do. How to calculate the average? Average equal dot divided by 3. Divided 3 mean how many marks you enter. There are 3 marks you are enter, so you have to put 3. If there is 4 marks, you have to put as a 4. If it is 5, you have to put as 5. So this is how you have to calculate the average, right? So this is calculated and assigned to the variable average. So after that, we have to get the average. Average is which text box? Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste. We have to get it is txt average text box, right? This text box, I name it as txt average. Okay, right? We have to put this variable here, average. That's the thing we have to do, right? Now the final one, condition. What is the condition I am going to give? If the average is greater than 50, grade display pass, otherwise fail. Okay, so we need a condition. So what is the condition we have to write? Starting from if average is greater than 50, if the average is greater than 50, we have to write the one option pan, sorry, should be capital. First 2 letters should be capital, others are simple. Pan dot show message. Here first one you have put as this or null, and put as null. Here we have to write as here pass. So let me see, write as you are pass. This way, like good, right? Now else, otherwise there are no condition. We like to just copy this one, copy to paste here on this else block. You are fail, right? Okay, if the average is above 50, your result should be pass, otherwise your result should be fail. Okay, so let me execute the program and check whether it's working fine or not, right? Now here I am going to enter the marks over here. Click OK button. Here you are a pass, average here more than 50, right? This one. Okay, right. Now what I'm going to do is here, after click marks, your grade will be displayed over here, right? Right. Now I have put one clear button to clear all the text boxes. Okay, so let me put another button for clear. Right click, edit. Here we have to make the button as clear. This another button I am going to put as a exit. Right, these 3 buttons I am going to write. Right, now I am double click on the exit button. I am going to write a simple code here. System dot exit 0, right? Simply it will be exit. Here if you click this one, it will be exit, the system will be exit, right? Now I am going to double click on the clear button. I am going to clear the codes, right? First txt marks 1 dot set text, here we have to write the 2 double quotation mark like this. It will be clear. Okay, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Likewise, right now here 2, 3, here you have to change it as a text dot. After that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, txt average. Right now here, finally, after clear, here see, I'm going to enter the marks again. Click OK. Here marks is this, total is display, average is display, your grade will be displayed. Now what I'm going to do is here clear. If you clear here, all the text boxes are clear. Now I need to set the cursor is blinking on the marks 1 text box like this. Okay, that is a professional one. Once you click clear button, all the text box should clear and focus the cursor on the marks 1 text box, right? So that is the efficient way to write the program. So that is not that much of difficult. You have to write like this only, txt marks 1 txt marks 1 dot request focus. This is the method you have to call. Okay, if you call this one, it's focus on the txt marks 1 text box, this text box. So let me check whether it's working or not. Now here I'm going to enter some marks. Click OK. Here total should be display, average should be display, message grade should be display here. If you click clear, here it's all the text box will be clear and focus the cursor on the marks 1 text box like this. Here if you click exit, the form will be exit on the screen. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching.